or something to smile about this morning, Sim and I will be given categories from which we are to try to come up with the same answers. Hence, we are to create a jinx. Let's see a video of how this is done.
Fantasy. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Jamaica. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Banana. Yeah.
Oh my God!
It's giving Valley Girl.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Sam, we got this, Sam.
Okay, Garth, let's go. Okay, let's give it a shot.
Yeah, where's the thing? Where's the...
It'll come up.
Oh, dessert.
1, 2, 3, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Aye. Wait. I don't think you understand the rules. Come again.
No, but me get it,
When
man.
the category catch, and we count down, we're to say it.
I'm on a delay, that's why.
No, your brain delay. All right, come again. Dessert, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ice cream.
Good on you.
Woo!
We never rehearsed it before.
Right?
All right. Next category.
1, 2, 3. Blue.
Red.
Next cat.
I'm so glad we agree, because great minds over here cannot think of, these two minds cannot think alike. It's a problem. If me and God think alike, I'm going to switch my mind for somebody else. Next one. Color. An Olympic event.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
100
Track and
meter.
field.
Same thing. No? 100 meters a track and field event.
Is the event, or the event is 100 meter and not track and field? Track and field is a category. I knew that. I was just checking to see if God was paying attention.
Tio.
Good job. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
All right. No 100 meter?
Try one more.
One more Olympic event?
All right.
Wait, no?
You ready?
No. 1, 2, 3.
Long jump.
Discuss. One more?
Yes.
Wait. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Swimming. We did it.
I'm not sure we should celebrate that. Okay.
Just
All
want to
right.
change your mind at the end of the game.
Sometimes it take 3. You see what I mean? That's what happens when you don't give up. Next category. Female. 1, 2, 3. Master Griffiths. One more time. 3 for each?
Yeah, that's till we get it right. All right.
Too many.
All right.
One more? All right. 1, 2, 3.
Rita Marley.
What?
Last chance.
1, 2, 3. Tanya Stevens.
Tanya Stevens. We get it.
Cheated. You wait until it.
No. It just took a while to come out.
Teeth like puss. Chicanery. Okay. Next category is a famous city. 1, 2, 3.
New York.
But we never say Kingston.
Look here, I almost said
So
Miami.
your
You're
foreign
lucky.
mind, a local body. Yes, next one. Come again. Grump.
Hey, all right.
1, 2, 3. Yum.
Hey.
Is there another in Jamaica?
Right.
You saying?
Coco Dasheen.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Lime Tree Lane character.
1, 2, 3.
Johnny. Aye. Good.
Okay.
Next one.
1,
Hey.
1, 2, 3.
Peter.
We go for say Peter, but me not sure. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. They have the fog and them with the hand. Next one. Peter.
A luxury
Luxury
car brand. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Bentley.
Lamborghini.
We'll try again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Rolls
Ferrari.
Royce. Why are you stuck in Italy?
Last chance.
1, 2, 3. Maserati. There's something there, sir?
I almost got Italy with it too, you know.
Don't go to Italy with me. Next. Wait a sec.
Next category.
A type of pet in Jamaica is only one.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Dog.
Mongrel.
Well, yeah.
Jamaican brown terriers.
The
Jamaican brown terriers who sometimes
Ooh,
get visa to Canada.
That's right. How are those dogs though?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Powdered spice. 1, 2, 3.
Black pepper.
Don't know this one well because he cooks. Paprika is a
Paprika is a while ago?
Yeah.
A black pepper, I say.
But it's all like the same thing. So
Yeah, it's all like the same thing. So we're good. No, we're good.
Okay, we're not good, so we
All right, we'll try again. All right,
Yeah.
we'll try again.
1, 2, 3.
Curry
Powder.
All right, there we go. Well, one
Next
more.
one. Sus piece.
A Jamaican parish. Yes. 1, 2, 3. St.
Kingston and
Andrew.
St. Andrew.
And Kingston.
Mr. I think Nefford was a headache, but this is going downhill like spur tree in St. Elizabeth. All right, one more, let's go. A cooking appliance. I was gonna say something, but it cannot be right. All right, 1, 2, 3. Frying pan.
Appliance. Appliance.
Plug it in onto the stove.
What, electric frying pan?
Microwave.
So we'll try again.
1, 2, 3. Air
Blender.
fryer.
All right, next category.
So frying pan is a no? Okay, what's the next one? That was the last one?
Oh,
All right,
goodness.
let's try one more.
One more? All right.
Best local morning show. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Smile Jamaica!
That's it. Something to smile about.
All right.